Hello everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our February Urban Garden Creative Kit. We are so excited about this kit because it is our first creative kit with our very own paper collection. So let's see what's in the box. Let's start with these guys. These are cute little wooden hearts. They are super adorable. We have got some embroidery thread in lots of different colour purples, so a whole bunch of those to choose from. We've got one of our Uniquely Creative stamps, our new little mark making stamps, and that one is text. We have got some Uniquely Creative silver pearls, beautiful shine on those guys. A couple of little wooden, I don't know, you could almost embroider with them, little hearts. They're very cute. Another great Aussie company is Couture Creations, and we have some of their glitz and glam in our kit. Beautiful. We have got some very sweet little here, like little lilac flowers, and some creative cuts. So these are all your cute little die cut elements in that bag. We've got one of our laser cuts from White Chipboard for Urban Garden. And the thing I'm most excited about to share with you are the first 6 of our new UNIQOLOUR water real brush markers. So you're getting the first 6 markers and the water brush in this kit. You are going to get another 6 in March, April and May, or 7 in each of those. And they are, if I can get this off, there you go, lid is off. So they are a real brush marker. They've got a gorgeous little real brush on the end. They're watercolor markers for all of your watercoloring, and you're going to get a big case in one of the kits coming up to keep them all in as you collect them over the next 4 months. So they will be available, the sets of 27 plus a water brush, real soon, but you can only get them in the kits at this stage, the first 6. The magazine. Some of our beautiful brand new DT members have created some amazing projects for us, and we're very excited to share them with you. I don't know if you saw our DT announcement post, some gorgeous scrapbooking superstars and card makers on there. Lisa Ahmet has made a whole bunch of layouts, and so has Kylie Kingham and Lucy Patrick and Liddell. Anyway, all your instructions are in there, like usual with the Creative magazine. It is a bumper issue because the girls couldn't stop creating. We have got a special cut apart sheet this month. This is a watercolor cut apart sheet printed on 250 GSM cotton watercolor paper. Now this printout is perfect to color these flowers with your markers, and you'll see when I show you the projects the girls have done that. You can buy extra ones of these for $2 a sheet, and they are fabulous. There is a sheet of vellum, and of course a regular cut apart sheet, which is very cool. Then there are 2 sheets of the larger watercolor cardstock. This is in a 360 GM, so it's super thick, really absorbent cotton watercolor card for all of your mixed media kind of element background. So there's 2 sheets of those in the kit. We've also launched these as individual products where you buy 10 sheets in a pack in the 12x12 and A4. And last of all is the collection pack, which I am so excited to share with you. Lots of beautiful elements in this kit. The purple colors are fantastic, and I couldn't be more proud of this collection. Okay, let's have a quick look at some of the gorgeous layouts the DT have created. Stunning layouts with these beautiful papers. This one here is one of mine, and this background here, Liddell has actually created that as a paper for you, so you don't even need to do any mixed media. Another one by Lisa. I'm trying to show you the gorgeous elements she's got in there. So beautiful. This one's by Kylie, and you can see she has coloured in that gorgeous watercolour sheet with the markers you're getting in the kit. Just beautiful. I have done another video on how to use the markers, and I've popped it up on our YouTube page, and I will share it on our Facebook so you can see how to use the markers as well. Just a quick tutorial. Another one by Lisa. They're so stunning. And this one here is one of my absolute faves. How good is that for like all your teens? I love it. It's just so bright and awesome. And look at this. All of these flowers on this one are fussy cut. And it's superb fussy cutting. This one here is just stunning in real life. And there's a cute little cross-stitched heart. And this one here is another one of my faves. I just love it. This is kind of raised up. It's beautiful and backstitched. And Kylie shows you how to backstitch in the magazine. And this is another one of Kylie's with more of that stitching. So that is one of the dies. Okay, let's take a look at the cards. Lots of cards by Lucy, Liddell and Tanya. So beautiful. The layers on these are just gorgeous. We also have more of our DT members making projects just to share with you on our blog and social media. Another one by Tanya, which we'll share with you later. These are just the magazine projects, and look at that TP card. Okay, the 2 add-on dies for this month are this one here, which actually says wonderful. Gorgeous little die that says wonderful, just like that there, wonderful. And this one here is called So Lovely, because these little holes you see poke little pierced holes in there, so you can stitch it just like that, or just leave them. Really cute little hearts. These guys are just $12.80 and $15.80, so fabulous price point for those two. And there are obviously 2 new releases of our mini mark making stamps this month. This is the text one that's in the kit, and this one here is the dots one, which is the other one we're releasing this month as well. So you can purchase all of the beautiful collections, the creative cuts, the stamps, the watercolor cardstock, all the amazing things that we have on offer here from your local craft store. And we ask that you do support them where you can. Keep their doors open. Support Australia and supporting Australians. Thank you so much. You can order the kits on our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.